Do you feel that you're a failure? You're out of shape, and you never were the sharpest tool in the shed. But let this music and the videos of famous guys lifting weights that you can't even physically move motivate you. It's not just the music, but it's also the way that I speak. Because if this rhyme were a crime, then why would I waste my time for people who don't think that their life is worth a dime? The truth is, power, persistence, and dedication are words that you and everyone likes to listen to, but not to work on. Why else can I get away by saying that hard work is nothing without working hard? And all that I've done is motivate you to watch another one of my videos, because this much motivation is not enough. You need more. Because watching others do what you can't is better than actually doing it and facing failure.
Hi, guys, and welcome to the first ever episode of Tapasvi Rajas. Today, we're speaking of the overmotivation drug. I feel motivation is extremely overrated and it doesn't let you do anything. Motivation is to action what reading about exercise to being in shape. We watch way too many videos, but we still haven't been able to do half of what they do.
सही बात है यार। देख, वीडियोस अलग चीज़ है, मतलब लाइक द मेन एस्पेक्ट जो मुझे लगता है इज मोटिवेशनल कोट्स। तूने इंस्टाग्राम पे देखे होंगे, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, हर जगह फैले हुए हैं। इवन योर ग्रैंड मॉम, योर मॉम शेयर्स देम टू योर फैमिली ग्रुप। सो लाइक दीज पोस्ट आर वेरी क्रिंजी एंड क्लीशे। लाइक तीन चीज़ें कॉमन होती हैं इन पोस्ट में। फर्स्ट, अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ सेलिब्रिटी, कोई भी हो सकता है। दिस गाय हैज़ नो रेलिवेंस इन योर लाइफ। सेकेंड, एक टेक्स्ट, ये कोई भी क्लीशे टेक्स्ट हो सकता है। एंड थर्ड थिंग, अ पर्सन हु शेयर्स सच स्टफ। लाइक कोई ना कोई तेरे सर्कल के अंदर एक होगा who feels like these things are very deep and meaningful.
You get a false sense of motivation. You get both the sides of the paradigm. Because if I fail on a test, okay, one motivational channel will tell me that I have to work a million times harder, wake up at 4 and work out like a beast. But on the contrary, they'll tell me that I have to be fine with what I'm doing, and I have to accept this failure the way it comes, and I have to, take my own time and all that.
रोहन, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है। सी द थिंग इज कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इस टाइम पे। दे आर डिफरेंट पीपल गिविंग यू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मोटिवेशन थ्रू डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स विच जस्ट मेक्स यू कंफ्यूज। तो करे क्या? यू नीड टू हैव स्किल्स एंड लाइक नॉलेज टू डू दैट स्टफ ना। नाउ इफ आई मोटिवेट यू टू बिकम एस्ट्रोनॉट, कल से तू रॉकेट लेके ऊपर थोड़ा चले जाएगा। यू नीड स्किल्स, नॉलेज। 10 साल की मेहनत चाहिए, 15-20 साल लोग पढ़ते हैं। पीपल जस्ट डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट। एंड दिस अ गाय इन माई जिम, वो सारी टाइप की मोटिवेशन वीडियोस देखता है, बट when he enters the gym, he screams a lot and lifts the lightest of dumbbells. I'm not even kidding.
Anyway, see, the idea is that all these motivators and all that, they rely on that hormone. It's called dopamine. And it's supposed to make you feel good, but that's all it does. Do you ever feel happy once you get a like on a photo? Or, like, for example, in our case, we feel very happy when you subscribe or you like the video. So please do that. So anyway, point is, dopamine makes you feel good, but it doesn't really do anything to you. Like, जैसे तूने बोला ना कि तू कुछ कर नहीं पाएगा ब्रो, मैं एस्ट्रोनॉट नहीं बन पाऊंगा कल.
And there's one more problem. Like, I still believe अगर जब मेरा मन होगा मैं तभी काम कर पाऊंगा. No motivational video will help me do that thing. But the problem is, these motivational video will promise you that you will get these marks, this size of waist, this size of arms. It's not possible if you don't do the work.
See, we criticize beauty companies and all that, but don't you think these guys also play on your insecurities? They know that you're fat, they know you're demotivated, they know there is something wrong with you, or they know that you're that vulnerable to watch their videos and keep watching them.
I feel like this is a business model. First, they are telling you what's wrong with you and then selling you something which will solve you. But what if I say कि तुम में कुछ गलत है ही नहीं in the first place, then इनका business खत्म है, if you think about it.
And all they need to tell you is कि मेहनत करो, please, बस.
सबसे छोटी चीज़ पे आते हैं ना, they tell you wake up at 4 a.m. Now I don't know, as a college student जिसको assignments 12 बजे तक करने पड़ते हैं, and forget that I also need to live my life, I need to be with you guys talking, going out, तो मैं सुबह 4 बजे उठ के मैनेज कैसे करूँगा ये सब? Like I don't get this thing, like they tell you a routine to stick to it, but what if I just can't? Is it like impossible for me to do that? In the end, like it all comes to कि तू कर पा रहा है कि नहीं कर पा रहा है. Now तूने कर लिया, you will say good things to the person who is motivating you or making such videos to motivate you. But what about the failure?
You need somebody to tell you what to do once you failed after doing everything, like after putting in the hours, after listening to everybody, whatever they had to say, every single thing after you've done, and then when you fail, nobody tells you how to recover from that. And in such times, it is not somebody who you've never met in your life that is going to help you. It is going to be simply that little voice inside you, and it's the people who are the closest to you. And another thing that I do understand is that we can't accept failure. It is completely fine to fail and have bad days as long as you find that little ability within yourself to keep pushing yourself rather than, just receiving the sort of gratification of somebody else. Personally, for me, what I realized that it was a set of repeated failures that shape your personality.